I wanted to show you this Starlight system that I purchase regularly. It's been very reliable. We use it in customer car installs. It's an RGB system. It's for your headliner, or really for any Starlight configuration. If you wanted to do it in your home, you could use a system like this because it also comes with AC power supply, and of course for 12-volt systems like a car system, you get that. It is a 20-watt gun, so to speak, meaning it produces 20 watts of power, 860 twinkles, so you have two outputs here. You get about 13 to 14 feet of fiber, and you do get a remote control, so you can leave this lay in your car, or if you're using it at home, and you get a little scan for the app, and the app works great. You just get it right on your phone. That was the other good feature of this particular one, is the app works great. The reliability has been fantastic, and the install, well, they're time consuming. We remove headliners for car vehicles. You've got to drill all 860 holes. You've got to feed the fiber through every one of them, and then you've got to work this back into the trunk, usually where we put the gun here. And you can see it's got the little wire for your remote and your power, nice little antenna. The colors have been great. The programs that it runs is great. I've stuck with this particular one now for a year and a half. I've tried several other ones. This gives plenty of brightness. It's a good product, and we use it regularly.